Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Azure Cloud Today. What if your cybersecurity team just spotted a phishing attack hitting your finance team and you need to warn 50 users, and at the same time, you do not want to send another company wide email that nobody reads? What if you could send a push notification straight to their iPhones? That's exactly what custom notification does in Microsoft Intune. It's a powerful feature, and most IT teams either do not know it exists or have used it once and have forgotten. So let's get into it. What custom notification actually is? Custom notification is a remote action you can trigger from the Intune Admin Center. Over here, you type a short title and a message body and hit send. The company portal then receives this and notifies the user. It is critical to understand the push notification doesn't come directly from Intune. It comes from company portal. That means company portal has to be installed and the user has to have granted push notification permission. Please note this feature works on iOS, iPadOS, and Android Enterprise BYOD. It does not work on Windows or macOS, even though company portal application is installed on those devices. Also, do note that this is a push notification. Hence, there is no two-way communication. The user would receive the message, and that is pretty much it. The user cannot reply back. It is just a one way broadcast only. Now, some of the scenarios where custom notification can be used are as follows. You can send compliance reminders from here, notifying a user that their device must be on the latest iOS version. Also, if you want to quickly notify a team about a maintenance activity, then in such a scenario, you can make use of custom notifications. If there are any security threats and you want to notify a particular set of users, then you can make use of custom notifications. You can also send out a push notification for newly joined members with a welcome message and also notify them of the next steps that they could take. Now, let's look at some quick prerequisites before you click send. First is that the device must have a company portal installed and they must have allowed the push notification service. An example of a notification can be that you get notification from WhatsApp that you received a message. Now you receive this only because you have allowed WhatsApp to send notifications to you from the settings or have allowed it while installing the application. The same goes with company portal application. If you have stopped the notification, then you would never receive the notification. Second is that you either need a helpdesk operator role in Intune or a role that has permission to send custom notifications. Third is that you need at least an Intune Plan 1 license to make this work. If you want to know more about licensing in Intune, then I have attached a card above in the top right of this screen for you to click and watch. Also, since iOS is involved, you also need APNS certificate to be configured. If you do not know how to configure this, then I have attached another card for you to go ahead and configure this or review this. Now we are at the Intune Admin Center. Now let's go to devices, then click on the device that we have. We currently have just one iOS device enrolled over here. Let's click over here and let's click on the device. Then let's click on the three dots over here next to the device. Let's click on send custom notification. Over here, we can type action needed quickly. And then in the body, we can write them a message stating that Update iOS by Friday, and it is urgent. Let's click on send over here right now. Now let me switch to the iPhone to see that we got the message or no. As you can see over here, we got a message stating Azure Cloud Today has sent you a message. Let's open the message. Okay, let's go to notification again. So when we go to the notification section in the company portal, we see the same message being delivered to us over here. Now let's send a second custom notification which says action needed, second reminder. And over here in my iPhone, I have kept the company portal open at this moment of time. Okay, let's hit send. Over here, if you see that we were quickly taken back and we see the message right away. We do not get a notification or a message from company portal app stating that you received something. Why? Because the company portal application was already open. Now, if you want to know how I did all this branding, then you can watch our video about Intune branding, which I have attached in the card above. Also, if this allow notification is turned off for you, then you will never get the custom notification from company portal. Now, let's look at when not to use custom notification. If you have an urgent or time critical messages, then custom notification is not really a good option. In such scenarios, you can either call the other user or send an email marked as important. If you want to send sensitive contents like PII, credentials, internal pricing, then please do not make use of custom notifications. Also, when you need delivery confirmation, this is also a moment when you should not use custom notification because it is a one-way broadcast only. Also, do note that this feature is not supported for Windows and Mac OS devices, even if Company Portal exists on those devices. Today, we looked at custom notifications and on situations where it can be used, and also on the situations where it must not be used. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, then feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you at my earliest. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.